Alright, let's talk about the other binding in Angular, which is called event or binding. So before we do that, let's actually go here and then create a function inside my app component.ts. So let's create some function like get data, right? Get data and assign a type of any to it. Oh, and let's use the event object, right? Event object to check the type of event that's what was triggered, right? So let's prepare this on the console. So console.log, don't worry, I'll explain whatever I'm doing right here. If you don't get it, don't worry. Am I getting errors? Okay, don't assign any type to the event object. TypeScript, hit it, right? So let's grab this data right here. Don't worry, I'll explain everything, and then let's create a button right here. Button, and inside that button, alright, let's see, click me. Alright, so you have gotten a button here and a function what defined right here. So what we want to do is we want to, whenever we click on this function, this method right here should be triggered. Okay, this method right here should be triggered, or whatever this method do should be executed, right? So one way we can do, or the way we do it is to bind that method to what this DOM element right here. And the way we do it is to use a parenthesis. The parenthesis, when you use parenthesis, and then inside that parenthesis, the type of the event you want to raise. Do you want to make it a bottom click, or a click event, mouse hover event, or drop over, or whatever? And so let's say click, okay, and inside a click, then let's just copy the name of the form, and then the name of the method, and then just add it here. Alright, so let's open this in the browser, and let's actually see. Okay, so we have gotten our bottom. Okay, so actually you can see there's nothing in the console, right? Alright, so if I click on it, we should get some object, right? Why are we getting this object? Because so we have seen we have gotten a lot of objects here. Why are we gotten this object? This is actually the object that what we triggered, right? We click on it, so it's a button click object, right? And this object right here gives you other properties like the size of the mouse, the position of the mouse button, and whatever. A lot. You can use it to do a lot of stuff like scaling the position of your element and a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's actually try this. You only get it because you use the event here, the event object right here, right? If you get rid of it, you won't see it. Okay, so let's to see it in reaction, let's change this event here to mouse over. Okay, so this time we are not going to click on a button. When we hover over it, we should get what? Okay, you can see there's nothing here, but when we hover over the bottom, we should get some objects here. Bam, you see we have gotten a mouse over what object, which the previous was what click object, right? So let me explain what actually was happening right here, right? So the only thing that we are doing right here is that you see we have gotten this our bottom here, right? So what we wanted to do is whenever this bottom right here is click, is what execute whatever function is inside this method right here. So we have gotten this our method here. It doesn't do anything. The only thing that it does is what is to print log out the give you access to the kind of the event that what was triggered, right? So what that's the only thing that we are doing inside what the function, the method right here. So how do we bind the method right here actually into the element right here? The way we do it, we use parentheses, open parenthesis and closing parenthesis, and inside that parenthesis you type the type of the event that you want to create, you want to handle, or you want to raise. Either is it a click event, a mouse over, drop down, do we actually have drop down, whatever, mouse up, or other focus and stuff, right? So when you have actually decided the type of event that you want to issue, so you have decided, okay, I decided a click event here. Okay, so if I've decided a click event that when this mouse is clicked, okay, then what if this mouse is clicked, what should it do? And what it should do is defined here. It should what? Execute this what method, this method right here. And what that this method do? It only what? Log the kind of the event that was what triggered into the console. That's the only thing we are doing right here. So if actually I go ahead and type something like hello, you should see that log on the console. Okay, let's get rid of this guy right here. So let's open the browser and let's see. We are still using mouse over event. Okay, so open the console and let's hover over it. You can see I've gotten error right here, right? Yes, that's exactly what I've been trying to show you. I should have probably done this. Oh, too late. All right, so see, you have gotten hello here. All right, so that's that's method binding for you. Fine, method binding, event binding in Angular for you. So you just bind the event that will want to be raised here, and when that event is bind, what do you want that event to do? Is you execute this method right here, right? The type of method you want to execute inside the method, the component, right? So see you in the next video.